Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel TopTrends. This time we're offering you another collection of the most innovative gadgets available on AliExpress and Amazon websites. Links to all products are provided in the product description. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Let's go! Wireless Bluetooth Mini Speaker by AWA. Impressive bass and volume mini speaker can be easily. It is small, but it can deliver high-quality sound that is crystal clear with incredible bass and room-filling volume thanks to a high-performance driver as well as a passive subwoofer. Small, yet so powerful Bluetooth speakers with wireless streaming music or internet radio services like Pandora and Spotify via your mobile, iPhone, or other audio device that has Bluetooth portable and weighs 6.2 ounces in size and has a diameter 1.89 in length, 1.54 inches. In addition to the speaker, you'll get a steel hook as well as a carrying case that lets you take your music with you wherever you road and also shield the speaker from harm, which makes it perfect for outdoor use, such as dorm rooms, beaches, bathroom, kitchen, golf, boat cars, and many more. Long battery life. The rechargeable battery built into the speaker offers 5 hours of playtime with up to an 8-hour playtime with 50% volume. Just half an hour of charging time using a single amp charger is 3 hours of playtime. Simple and stylish design. Our goal was to create small wireless speakers that use Bluetooth that's just an ordinary speaker, and it can be used at any time and anywhere. We discarded features like microphone, 3.5mm jack, and unnecessary buttons. One silicone button to hold the switch off for just one tap to pause, triple tap, or double taps to change songs. It's an ideal gift for someone special. One of the most effective ways to make living more pleasant is through intelligent electronics. Smart home electronics are one of the best technological advancements in the management of household appliances. This indoor or outdoor smart plug is simple to use and has its own app. All you require is a wireless internet connection and the application installed, and you're ready to go. It can be used using Amazon Alexa or Google Home Assistant. Simply turn on the Christmas lights using a voice command. It is possible to set certain times when lights will turn on and off your lights. Make sure your lights are on at the right timings. Ridge Wallet. In the first place, in contrast to the plethora of pockets you carry around, the Ridge Wallet is simple. It's comprised of only 2 plates of metal that are joined by screws. It's not noticeable inside your wallet. 2 elastic bands joined keep the cards from falling out and makes your wallet expandable. It looks like a pair of underwear. This is how they open. Let's add some cards that are not embossed. They're simple to remove. Simply push them out from the opposite side of the wallet. The wallet can accommodate up to 12 cards. There's also space to store cash and an additional card. Ticktime Pomodoro Timer by PAN. Timer features 6 preset timing intervals. The timer can be used in dual mode, counting both up and down. It is extensively used and is suitable for every aspect of your daily life. Flip timers for kids utilizes HD LCD's digital display with a compact design and lightweight weight. It comes with rechargeable lithium batteries and comes with a USB-C charger port. It's always a good idea to wear an elastic Paracord bracelet, particularly when you are outdoors, like hiking in the woods, camping, hunting, or fishing. Perhaps you've lost your lighter and want to light and fire to keep warm. It comes with an iron rod and striker. This bracelet it is easy to start a fire whenever required. It also comes with an emergency whistle and 12 feet of paracord that is military grade to your wrist. A paracord bracelet is ideal for any outdoor adventure. Let's look at a few of docking stations that you can avoid that zombie apocalypse that is threatening your office. To begin, you must play with your hands to pull these pieces together. Now let's charge the phone, and then put your wallet inside that secret compartment. Are you looking to charge your watch? There's no problem. There's a model that can accommodate all of the Apple family. It's also big enough to accommodate your other accessories such as glasses, watches, AirPods, and more. Don't say there's nothing you can do about the mess that's on your table. Portable phone Microscope by WUBEN is a great gadget for both adults and children to laugh at the hilarious Microscope. This is a great addition to different brands of smartphones. Microscopes. Suitable that are compatible with iPhone, iPad, Android phone. This microscope for smartphones consists of a camera for phones as well as a pocket microscope. The phone screen. Handy mobile phone microscope with 200 magnificence times 17.5 grams. 6 LED fill lights for fill and 2 brightness modes for adjustable. Never lose your possessions again by using your smart finder system. It is an RFID, ultra-high frequency tracking system, is different from GPS as well as Bluetooth tracking devices. Users won't need to fret about your tracker's battery. It is small, paper thin, and user-friendly. The tracker doesn't need batteries and can be used for as long as. The traditional Bluetooth and GPS trackers can geolocate a general location of where the object is, for instance your house. However, this Hecere intelligent finder device is much more specific and will identify exactly where it is you can find your home, your most loved phone, book, or other things you could get lost here and there. What's the reason for a copper-colored wallet? First, it's the shiny, luxurious design. However, the most important thing is that copper is renowned for its unique antibacterial qualities, which means you don't need to clean your wallet. It cleanses itself, eliminating more than 99% of bacteria. The wallet has enough space to accommodate up to a dozen cards, along with cash. 6 separate pockets help keep your items well organized and easy to access. Thanks to the steel body, your cards are safe from unauthorized scanning. It's not necessary to mention that the wallet is stronger than leather ones, but it's still lightweight and compact. It's like a man's wallet. Exonite, searching for high-quality micro flashlight? Check out Exonite. This small but powerful flashlight is a stunner with 1100 lumens. With 7 modes that you can choose from, it will be ready to handle any scenario. The Exonite is also hands-free and allows you to make use of your hands to do other things. The innovative 3-in-1 button is not just a switch that turns the flashlight off and on, it also has waterproof and dust-proof protective cover that covers the USB charger of Type-C. And if you're wanting to customize your Exonite, there are 6 slots in tritium to insert your own tritium vials. This Exonite is designed to last using aircraft-grade titanium or aluminum construction. If you're looking for an efficient, compact, and long-lasting flashlight, then this Exonite is the perfect choice for you. We're sending our greetings to all DIY fans and enthusiasts. You'll enjoy this AstroFab 3D printer. It's not just due to its appearance solely. Contrary to other 3 Dominican pesos printers with resin that are available, AstroFab has a much higher printing speed. The 2K monochrome LCD screen can allow the layer to cure between 2 and 3 seconds, so you can quickly make a model and turn any concept into a reality. It also comes with a custom design, but without any of the world's capabilities, such as a built-in HEPA, carbon filter with removed sunglasses, UV blocking, and the silent cooling fan. Guys, that's all I've got for today. If you've never had a chance to watch the videos, I recommend you take a look. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.